Did you know that there are still unused job advertisements slumbering in your package? It always makes sense to exhaust your full quota to show maximum presence in the market. Even if you don't currently have any other positions open, you can use your free slots to generate additional reach for existing jobs. But be careful, a simple duplicate is not enough, as Google recognizes and filters out identical content. Instead, use our AI to completely reinterpret an existing advertisement. This way, you occupy different search terms for the same job and massively increase your chances of the perfect match. Click on the briefcase icon at the top to go to your job overview. Select one of your existing positions and click on Copy at the top. Now comes the decisive step. Use our AI tool to have the job title and description reformulated for this copy. By choosing different focuses or terms, you cover a much broader spectrum of search queries. In this way, you work with the same position but generate significantly more views and visibility for exactly this job. As you can see, with just a few clicks and small adjustments, you can fully exploit your entire potential. From now on, your unused advertisements will work actively for you and ensure that no talent passes your company by. Good luck with the optimization.